This is resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2019-2020 Ford Ranger. So what we want to do is, it's a push to start now. So you want to push it into the accessory mode, which is going to be 2 pushes. And that's going to bring up the screens. So hopefully it gets into accessory mode. These lights should come on. Once these lights all come on, you want to use the keypad down here. And you're just going to hit OK, OK. And then you're going to see the gauges on this side with the speedometer, on the speedo, and you're gonna use the keypad here and slide over till you get to settings. So now you're gonna go down, settings, you're gonna hit the enter OK button, my vehicle, so it's gonna be vehicle, and then oil reset. So then you're gonna hit OK again. It's at 51%, so you're gonna hold OK to reset. So hold that down. It's gonna say resetting, and oil life is now 100%. And that's how you're gonna reset the other settings too. So if like tire rotation, oil change, or any other maintenance for that category, it's all gonna be in the menu system here on the side, and that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching.